In this video, we're sharing 3 simple homemade plant foods that work great for your plants at different times. When we plant seeds or move young plants, or when our plants start making flowers, it's important to give them the right stuff to help them grow strong. Sometimes the regular plant foods we use just don't cut it, but don't worry. We've got solutions for you. We'll show you one plant food for baby plants, another for when we move them, and a special one for when our plants start blooming. And guess what? These plant foods are awesome for tomatoes, cucumbers, eggplants, and almost any vegetable you have in your garden. Get ready to see your garden looking amazing with these easy, natural fixes. When our plants are just starting out, we'll use rice water or thinned out milk to feed them. Rice water and milk water are great for baby plants because they give them important stuff like carbohydrates, proteins, and minerals. Rice water has good stuff from the rice grains that can help baby plants grow strong. Milk water, when watered down, gives plants calcium and other good stuff that helps their roots get stronger. Both rice water and milk water are gentle and natural, so they won't hurt the delicate baby plants. Next, when we move our plants into the ground, we'll give them weed tea, or liquid plant food made from weeds, leaves, or kitchen scraps. To make it, fill a big bucket with water, then put in a bunch of chopped up weeds, leaves, or kitchen scraps, like veggie peels. Let it sit for about a week, stirring sometimes. This lets the good stuff from the weeds and scraps mix into the water, making a liquid plant food. Strain out the chunks, and what's left is your homemade weed tea plant food. This plant food is awesome for our plants because it's full of good things like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which plants need to grow healthy. It also has helpful tiny organisms that make the soil better and help plants soak up nutrients better. Lastly, when our plants start making flowers, we'll make yeast plant food in a big bucket. We'll mix yeast with water and sugar, then let it sit for a couple of hours. This mixture turns into a rich plant food for our flowering plants. Yeast plant food is great for plants because it has a lot of nitrogen, which helps plants grow strong and make lots of flowers. Nitrogen is important for making chlorophyll, the green stuff that helps plants use sunlight to make energy. By giving our flowering plants yeast plant food, we're giving them extra help to grow strong, with lots of flowers. So why wait? Give your plants the love and food they need and watch them grow. And don't forget to share this video for more gardening tips and tricks.